the last class I told you that how to create letters using mail merge. Today I'll tell you that how to create and print labels using mail merge. So first of all, I will open Microsoft Word. I have already opened Microsoft Word. In Microsoft Word, first of all, I'll go to the mailings tab. In mailing tabs, you will find Start Mail Merge group. In the Start Mail Merge group, first option is Start Mail Merge again. When you click on the Start Mail Merge, you will find some options in drop down list box. Click on last option, Step by Step Mail Merge Wizard. When you click on Step by Step Mail Merge Wizard, you will find the task pane in the right hand side. Here you will find Select Document Type. What type of document are you working on? Earlier we have worked on letters. Now we will work on labels. So choose labels. Now click on Next Starting Document. The second option is Select Starting Document. How do you want to set your mailing labels? Here you can see the first option is not highlighted because this document is not set as label. That's why the second and third option you can use. Second option is change document layout. This layout you have to convert into the labels. So for that, label options is given here. If already you have set the particular document as label format, so you can use third option also. I'm using the second option, change document layout. After clicking on second option, you will find the label options link. Click on label options link. Now you will find that label option dialog box. From here you can take the particular type and size. Here the label vendors are there, different companies or vendors you can say. These are given there like Microsoft, Avery, Tico. I'm selecting any one and now clicking on OK button. If you want to set the label according to your needs, so you can go to the details and you can set the labels margin also. Now click on OK. After clicking on OK, you will find the cursor there. And then next option is next select recipients. In the select recipients, again you will find three options: use an existing list, select from Outlook contact, and type a new list. If you have already created a list, so you can use an existing list and you can browse a list. And if you have already created the list in Outlook context, so you can browse a list from there also. But I have not created any list, that's why I will click on type a new list and then I'll click on create link. When I click on create link, I will find new address list dialog box. Here I don't want all the fields, so I will click on customize column. I want title, first name, even I don't want last name, so I will delete it. Company name, or you can put the company name in place of first name. I'm erasing the first name also because I'm setting the labels for schools, the school name, so I need this company name or school name, so I'm removing first name also. I don't need the address line 1 and 2, I need only address line 1, so I will remove address line 1. I want to rename address line 1, so I will click on rename. And one more field I want, that is city. Even I don't want zip code, country, home place. If you want to take it, you can take, but I want email address. And then click on OK button. After clicking on OK button, start typing. In the last class we have put the Miss, Master, Mrs. in the title, but here we are setting the details for the company name or for the school name, for the college name. That's why we'll write here to or dear. Company name like NHL PS. Address is Sant Hidaram Nagar. City you will take Bhopal. State MP. An email address like Navneet school@gmail.com. For the new entry, you have to click on new entry. Again, you will type 2 MGVS Santidharam Nagar, Bhopal, mgps@gmail.com. To Christ Memorial School, Beragar, Bhopal, MP. Christ Memorial @gmail.com. Likewise, you will set the particular records, and now click on OK button. Now you have to put the file name, like I am giving the file 1. Now click on save button. Now you can see the file 1 is set. If you want to edit it, select it and click on edit. You can edit if you want to edit any name. Now click on OK button. Click on yes. Click on OK again. Now the next is arrange your labels. How you will arrange the labels? You can see this cursor is already set there. If you want to set the contents from the address block, so you can take the contents from the address block. But if you want to set according to your need, so click on more items like title, company name, address, city, state, email address. Now set it. Press enter key. Give space and press enter key. Now all the values are set. Now click on preview your labels. You can see recipient 1, recipient 2, recipient 3. 3 labels are set, but if you want all 3 labels on one page, so what will you do? You will go to the recipient 1, you will go to the previous and click on update all labels. When you click on the update all labels, the particular format will be copied for all. Now click on preview your labels. You will find all 3 labels on one page. Now click on complete the merge. Now if you want to print it, just click on print. If you want to print all, so click on all. If you want to print the current page, so you can click on the current record. If you want to print the page number from 1 to 3, so put 1 to 3 and click on OK. Like I want to print all, I will click on OK. When I click on OK, I will find the print dialog box. From clicking on choosing the particular printer name, number of copies and clicking on OK, I can print it. But I don't want to print it now. If I want to edit it individually, so I will click on edit individual labels. Same, if I want to edit all, so I'll click on all. If I want to edit current record, so I will click on current record. If I want to edit the particular records, I will insert in from to text box. Then I'll click on OK. It will open a new window and you can edit the particular label there also. Now click on cancel. So this is a way to create and print labels using Mail Merge Wizard. Thank you and have a nice day. In the next class, I'll tell you how to set and create style in Microsoft Word.